Hi, welcome to this lesson on probability counting principles part 1. Let's have a look at question 4. There are 8 cases on a game show. Some are blue and some are green. Okay, all the blue cases are identical and all the green cases are identical in their looks. So you can imagine there are some cases here on a game show and all the cases that are blue identically look the same, but they might have different prizes inside of them. Okay, so in how many ways can the cases be removed if there are 4 cases of each color? So there are 4 blue cases and 4 green cases. So we consider these cases to be identical in their colors, in their looks of the same color. So if we want to arrange these objects next to each other, and then in that arrangement, those are the different ways we can pick them out and remove them, then essentially there are 8 factorial objects because there are 8 briefcases. However, there are 4 cases that are blue that are identical, and there are 4 cases that are green that are identical. So, by the fundamental counting principle for counting identical objects, we need to divide out the repetitions. So it's going to be 8 factorial divided by 4 factorial times 4 factorial. So let's get that up. So it's going to be 8 factorial divided by 4 factorial times 4 factorial. That gives us 70. So there are 70 different ways that the cases can be removed one by one in any specific order with those 4 blue cases and 4 green cases. So again, how many ways can the cases be removed if 3 of the cases are green? So now this time there are 8 factorial cases, but now only 3 of the cases are identical in green color times the 5 blue cases now that will be identical in color, because there'll be 5 blue cases and 3 green cases. Alright, so if I do that, so it's going to be 8 factorial divided by the 3 identical green times the 5 identical blue. So I'm just going to adjust my formula here in the calculator, and we get 56. So now there are 56 different ways to remove the cases one by one. If 3 of the cases are green, and that means automatically 5 of the remaining cases must be blue. And lastly, if 6 cases are blue, so again, there are 8 factorial ways to arrange those 8 different briefcases, but now there are 6 repeated blue ones. Therefore, there must be only 2 repeated green ones. Okay, so if we do that multiplication, what do we get? Okay, so it's 8 factorial divided by 6 factorial times 2 factorial. So let's use our calculator there. That's 6 factorial, that's 2 factorial, and we get 28 different ways. Okay, so that's how we would do these types of questions when they are identical objects. We always take the total number of objects and divide out the repetitions, the cases that are identical. All right, I'll see you in the next one.